These are all lakshanas pitta vata prakopa. If any patient comes with pitta these symptoms will be. These are sarvangaji symptoms. That is why I told pitta vata prakopa means it is always a sarvangaji value. If it kapha vata, shaitya gaurava shula and kripadipashya. Shaitya gaurava shula. Gaurava, heaviness will be there. Here Daha Krishna Brahman is there. These two symptoms will be there. If pitta and kapha. Any disease comes with these symptoms, definitely we have to think there may be pitta or kapha, samsarga or avarana may be there. Next is in Rashtavarana, this is a localized pathology. He says wherever Rashtavarana occurs, there will be sadharti chokpam santarojan raga swayatu jayante manalancha suji nistodana sparshadvesha. Here daha, pain, arti, raga, redness, swayatu and sparshadvesha, tenderness will be there. These all 5 symptoms will be there. Wherever Rakta Avarana Vata Prakopa is there. I am saying is, in Charaka Samiti he has told, Arti is in between Tvak and Mamsa. How to understand pain in between Tvak and Mamsa? Do you think patient comes and tell you pain is in between my skin and Mamsa? He will not tell. How to understand? That is why in Sushruta he has told, instead of that one he told Sparshadvesha. That means Arti in between Tvak and Mamsa is nothing but Sparshadvesha. Sparshadvesha is nothing but tenderness. Next please. First do the dilatation. Next please. Next. Then you put the protoscope. This one. Then bring the next please. Next one. Shatamatra Kala. Just apply. Next please. This one. Patayitva Kshara. See what happened? I have explained this Kshara Karma in 5 months in one of the colleges in some workshop. What I have told this procedure to his students. One of their students, he is prepared this Kshara. Instead of applying to Mundikeri is nothing but a type of Vata Kaphaja Gunashota. So like that. In that way.
Patient is having pain in neck and also pain in leg. It is not a case of sciatica, but locally she is having tenderness, tender pain in this area, and she is having pain due to cervical spondylosis with radiculopathy in left hand. Since Sira is Vedana is Sarvanga Shuddhi, she should get relief from both diseases. Even if I do Rakta Mokshan in this area, no need of doing Rakta Mokshan in every area. One area if you do Rakta Mokshana, she should get relief. There's Amrita Katara will go, but for Dhataksha you have to go afterwards Basti Karma and Abhyanga Sweda.
Since she is not prepared properly, blood is not gushing out. Because she is not given this one, Yavagu.
Since this patient is not properly prepared with Yavagu Pana, that is why blood is not gushing out, but only drop by drop it comes out. Still, it gives her relief. Immediately after this
18 ഒന്നുമില്ല. വേദന ബ്രീഹിമാത്ര ബ്രീഹിമുഖശസ്ത്രം ബ്രീഹിമാത്ര.
Which size is size?
18 number. 18. You can do another patient there. When it stops,
here is another patient with the varicose vein. She is having pain due to varicose vein, heaviness, all these things. And along with this, she is having cervical spondylosis also. But mainly we are doing this procedure for the purpose of this pain due to varicose vein, heaviness, all these things. Okay.
ഇവിടെ വേദന ഉണ്ടോ?
കുറച്ച് കോട്ടാണ് തപ്പുറത്ത് വെച്ചത്.
ഇത് മതിയല്ലോ, ഇതൊന്നും മതിയല്ലോ.
ഇത് മതി, ഞാൻ തീർത്താം.
Uttarakhanda Upayo. This area any straight vein or 4 angular below or above Janushan. Or here the
Utparahandi 4 angular above or below. Or here
Manimal.
Or 2 angular above Kshetraman. Any vein you can. Or if you don't get any vein here, straight Uttita vein, you can select any other straight vein near. Vata Kapha Dushita Rakta. Very thick blood you can see here.
ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ
actually if you prepare her properly there will be about
180 ml of blood will go.
180.
Matra of Raktamokshana is usually Samyak Sravita is 1 Prasruta Pramana, that is 720 ml or Ardha Prasruta 360 ml or Ardhasya Ardha Prasruta 180 ml. These 3 Matra is told in our textbook. In Sharangadhara Samiti he has told 180, 360 or 720. Bottle is there, no? 1 quarter, half, full bottle. Surrender.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട്
Mithaki. എത്ര കുറയുണ്ട്? എത്ര കുറയുന്നു?
10 വേദന ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ എത്ര ഉണ്ട്? 5 50%.
50%.